Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today is the 21st of April, and I want to announce to you guys that on the 15th of April my son is born. He was born in the hospital, and yeah, he's doing great. He's almost a week old by now, so yeah, time goes very fast. Yeah, the mother and child are both doing okay, or yeah, better than okay. They're doing good. He's growing a lot already, and the mother is also yeah, walking around like nothing happened. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of both of them. So yeah, maybe in the future we have another a Honda fanatic in the family. I hope so, at least, because yeah, we don't drive anything other than Honda. So yeah, he will probably also drive a Honda once he's 18, and maybe he will drive in the EG if he likes it. So I can give it to him once he's 18 if I still have it. Yeah, for today, and yeah, I don't have much planned. One thing, or actually two things, were bothering me about the car since I got it back from the body shop. Yeah, the engine bay was a little bit dusty and filthy, so I want to clean that out today. And the driver's side door is squeaking when you open and close it, so I want to put a little bit of yeah, grease in that, so the squeaking stops, because yeah, I can get quite irritated by that kind of squeaking noises. So yeah, I want to address that today. Yeah, like I said, I just picked up the camera because yeah, I thought it would be funny to take you guys along with this cleaning journey. Yeah, I'm not a professional by any means, so yeah, I'm just gonna clean it with some degreaser and water and a toothbrush, and yeah, hope for the best. So we'll see how it turns out. Yeah, let's start on the engine bay, and once that's done, I'm going to attack the squeaking noise, and yeah, that will be it for today. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's go. So this little thing keeps annoying the crap out of me. So it's pretty dry, so I'm just gonna put some grease on top of here and underneath it, so and then open and close the door a couple of times and hope the sound goes away. If not, then I'm gonna do another time, but then I'm gonna take the door card off the door and then loosen the two 10mm bolts here and take the thing out completely and then grease it up. But I hope this works. So let's go. That didn't go as planned. I think it's not this part, but the two hinges on the door. As you can see, that one up there is pretty rusted, so I'm gonna spray it down with some W40 and see if the sound goes away. Okay, let's check if it helped anything. It didn't do much, so I think I'm gonna leave it to another time to get this thing out and maybe do the hinges as well and put some grease between them instead of W40. But I hoped at least the sound would go away, so I knew it were the hinges and not the part here. So I will do that another time. That was the cleaning of the engine bay and trying to fix the squeaking noise on the door. But as you saw, that didn't work, so I'm gonna have to tackle that another time. For now, this is the video. It's just a short one, but like I said, I wanted to take you guys along with me through this process. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did so, please leave a like, a comment, and if you didn't already do so, subscribe to the channel, would be much appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!